closest to 19 that you can round out to 19 is 18. Okay? Good. Okay, 19 minus 18 is what, Haika?
1.
1. Okay? And then what will I bring down? The 0,
38.
right?
The 0.
Yeah, I will bring 0 because beside the 9 is 0, the second number, the third number. So that is 0. I will pass it down, right? Okay, so 2 times, we will do 2 digits. We're not going to do big numbers because then it can get confusing. Like if you add this, it's big, right? So we will just do, we can do it that way too, but it's better to do 2 digits at a time. So 2 times what number will give us 10? 2
2
times
times
what?
5.
Yeah, 2 times 5 on the top will give us 10. So that means 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, you don't have to write the 0, so you can pass the 3 down. Okay, now the 3 is here. What times 2 times what number gives us 3? Yes, Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf, can you hear me?
Times 1.
2 times 1. Well, let's close this. So 2 times 1 on the top, and then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is what, Yusuf? What is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. Okay, good. Now I will bring down the 8. Because 1 is too small and 2 times nothing gives us 1. So we can pass down the 8. Okay, so now 18. So 2 times what number gives you 18, Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf.
9.
9, right? Good. So my 9 goes here on the top. I'll write it in another color. 9. And then 18 minus 18 is 0. Good. That means this is my answer. It's 9519. Okay, Aika and everyone, you understand? Okay,
Yes.
so I expect you to do your second 1B. Okay, I sent it in the chat. Please start working, Yusuf and Haika. Any confusion, Yusuf? Do you understand? Yes, Yusuf. If you have any question, tell me. Can you do question 1B? Yes, Yusuf. Any question? Anyone have any question, Haika and Yusuf?
No.
Okay. Okay, so Yusuf got the answer for one of them. Let me check. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on the screen. Haika, once you're done, you can send it to me. So I will do it on the screen to check. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. That's the 0. Then becomes 5. 10 minus 10 is only 0. And you add another 0. So 2 times 0 gives you 0. That means 0 minus is 0. Then you pass down the 1. Okay, so 1 you cannot multiply by itself, so you have to put 18. So 2 times 9 gives you 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Okay, you still got 45009. 9018. Yeah, so I think that was because you added the 0. That's okay, so you added 10. Mhm. Yeah, okay, Yusuf is the correct answer. Can you also do the question number 2A? Okay. So Yusuf, are you working on question number 2A? Yes.
It's not letting me see the image. Can you like put it in the chat and like tell me what the number is divided by what?
Oh, okay. So you want to see, I sent the document in the chat, but I'll send it again.
No, like it's not letting me click on it.
Okay, so I'll send you just I'll type it myself. So
Yeah,
it's 40508. Okay. Okay, this is the question, okay? I sent it. Okay, so both students got the correct answer. I'm just gonna show it how to do it again. So let's explain the steps. So Saika, what did you multiply 4 by in the first one, right? You get 4, and then you got 0, so you don't write 0. Then you bring this 0 here, so you times 4 by 0 to get 0. Okay, then you don't have to, when you subtract them, you don't have to write the 0. Okay, then you transfer down the the 5, which is here, and 5 times 4 times what gives you 5? 1, right? Close it. So 4 times 1 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Then you bring down the 0. So then you get 4 times 2 is 8, so close it. So 10 minus 10 is 0, then you bring down the 8. So 4 times 2 is 8, right? Is that what you guys got? You guys got 10127. So it's actually 10122, okay? So it's incorrect. This is the answer, okay? Yusuf, this is the correct answer. So maybe you can try fixing the last step because you guys got up till 1012. Only the last digit was incorrect. Okay, Haika?
Okay.
Oh, no, actually, sorry. So 8, right? 4 times 2 is 8. No, it's actually...
Teacher.
No, yeah, you're right. Actually, you're right. Because, sorry, I made a mistake. So your answer was correct. Why? Because there's no number. I said 4 times 2 is 10, but it's not. It's 8. So that's why 10 minus 8 is 2. 28 minus 28 is 7. Okay, good. 20, because 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, sorry. Okay, Haika, you had the correct answer. Okay. Can you guys do 2B?
Teacher. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, said
Nyla?
the
Yes.
the daily limit has reached.
Oh, so it says that
Yes.
the daily limit. Okay. I will show you.
Wait,
It's good.
how is my answer wrong?
No, it's correct. Sorry. I just made a mistake because I said 4 times 2 is 10, but it wasn't. It was 4 times 2 is 8. So that's why I did a mistake. Okay.
You
Good.
don't need to anymore.
So you had the correct answer. Okay, Yusuf?
Okay.
Okay, so can you do question number 2B now? I circled it on this.
Password.
Okay, Sister Saba sent the password and the username. Is that okay, Nyla?
Yes.
Okay. So Haika and Yusuf will be
Can you
working
send
on.
it in the chat? Like, can you type it?
Okay. Okay, I sent it to you, Yusuf, and everyone.
Continue division or something? Teacher,
Yes, Nyla.
can we continue division or do something else?
Okay, you're done. So I will share my screen again.
I have some questions left. Yeah.
Okay. Because we have to finish actual exercise every day. So that's why I give it to you to finish. But if you're done, we can do the other um exercise for the day. Okay? Multiplication, give you some word problem. Okay, so Naomi made 10 finger puppets. She gave the same number of puppets to each of her of 5 friends. How many finger puppets did Naomi give to each friend? Okay. Can you tell me? Because look, she has 10 finger puppets and she gave to 2 friends, right? Because 5 can be only divided into 2 parts, right? Because 10, 5 plus 5, right? So she can only give 5 to one friend and 5 to another friend, right? So how many did she give? Can you group them? Tell me how many. 2, right? Good. Okay. Abdullah, can you hear me? Yes, Abdullah, are you
Yes.
here? Okay, Jazakallah. So Abby needs to get 32 ice cream bars for a summer party. If there are 8 ice cream bars in each box, how many boxes should Abby buy? Okay, so she has altogether how many ice cream? 32. And in each box she divides 8. So she gives 8 plus 8, which is 16.
Total
And
32.
then she gives 8 plus 8, which is another 16. So how many did she give altogether? Group them. Can you tell me how many groups are there? How many circles of 8 we have? Boxes? 4, right? Yeah, good. Okay. So now this one, Nyla, a shoe salesperson, took 28 shoe boxes, okay, and arranged them into 4 sacks. Right?
Boxes.
How many did he put in each sack? They should be equal numbers, okay? So let's say we start off with 7 because 4 sacks. So 28 divided by 4 is, can you tell me what is 28 divided by 4? Because they're saying he divided them into 4 sacks, 24 boxes. 7, right? So 7. 7 will be in each. This box will, have 7. This box will have 7. This box will also have 7. Okay, good. Okay, Abdullah Zishan, this one, Josie needs to buy 36 t-shirts. Okay. She needs to buy 36 t-shirts. For the basketball team. How a basketball team, if there are 4 t-shirts in each pack, how many t-shirts should Josie buy? Okay, so they're saying if there is 4 t-shirts in each bag, how many should they buy? So how many parts can we have? Let's see, 36. We don't know how many, right? Groups we can put them in. So we know that 36 divided by 4 t-shirts will give us the amount of groups we need, right? We don't know. So can you do that, Nyla? What is 36 divided by 4?
9.
9, right? So 9 groups. We will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each pack, that's 8. One more, 9. Okay, this will be the groups. Okay. Now, there are 4 people going on a boating trip. Each boat holds 2 people. How many boats are needed? Yes, Abdullah? Yes, Abdullah, can you tell me? So there are 4 people going on a boating trip. Each boat holds how many people? So the group, how many groups are we gonna have? 2 groups, right? Because they can hold 2 people. So how many groups are there of boats? How many boats are total? Are needed in each group? How many boats? 1, 2, right? Because we have 2 groups, 1 group and 2 groups, right? So 2 groups equal to 2 boats. Okay? Yes, Abdullah Zishan, can you do this one? There are 27 people running around the track, okay? If the runner are evenly divided,
3.
what's the answer?
The answer is 3.
Good. Okay. Okay, without me drawing it, okay, Naila, can you tell me the answer? An airplane can hold 50 passengers. If there are 10 rows of seats on airplane, how many seats are in each row?
5.
5. Okay. Okay, an art museum has 4 rooms. The museum owns 32 paintings. Abdullah, yes. And the same number are hung in each room. How many paintings are in each room? Yes, so an art museum has 4 rooms. The museum owns 32 paintings, and the same number are hung in each room. How many paintings are in each room? Yes, Abdullah? Okay. There's
8.
Okay, 32 divided by 4 gives you 8. Okay, good. Okay, good. Let me just write it. Okay, it takes Rita 6 minutes. Yes, Nala. Can you read the question, Nyla? It takes.
It takes Rita 6 minutes to walk a lap around the pond. How many laps can she walk in 18 minutes?
Yeah. Okay, so that means we have to. So there's each lap. How many laps are they? They're asking. So if there's 6 minutes in each lap, so it should be 6 times 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus another 6 will give us 18. So how many groups do we have? That means laps. How many groups equals to laps? Yes, Nyla? Number of groups equals to laps. Can you count the groups and tell me? 3, right?
We
Yeah. Okay. Abdullah, this one, Shannon is canning pears. Can you read the question?
3.
3, okay. So she has 24 pears and she divides them among 8 jars, right? So that means 8 plus 8 is 16. So there's going to be 3 total jars, right? Because 8 plus 8 is 16 plus another 8 is 24. Very good. Okay. So this one is for you to do in the chat. I will send it to you and then you can send me the answer. Okay. Okay, so Haika has sent me the answer and Yusuf, have you sent me the answer? Yes, I see it for the other one, but yeah, I see it for. So you got two. Both of you guys got the same answer, 28916. Okay. So 28916, because 3 times 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 26, pass it down the 6. 3 times 8, 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. Then you pass down the 4 is 8. 24 minus 24 is 0. Then you pass down the 7. 7. 3 times 2 is 6. So that means 1. Then pass down the 8. 3 times. So did you get 28826? Oh, you got 28916. Okay. Okay. Let me see why you got that. 86748. Okay. So this time you did not get it right, Haika and Yusuf. Okay, the correct answer is 28826. Okay. Do you know why? Yes, Yusuf. So you got confused on 3 numbers. Okay, you were right on the 2 numbers in the beginning. Okay, these 2 numbers.
No, it's right.
No, I checked it.
Oh,
Because
teacher, you didn't when you sent it in the chat, you mixed up 7 and 4, so we divided them based on that.
oh, okay. That's why. Okay. Yeah, then it's correct. Both of you guys have the correct answer. Okay. Yeah, because 2, I was saying 28916 times 3 gives us 86748. That's correct. Okay, good. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for telling me. So now we can do another. We were doing volumes and areas in our math for last week. So I will share that with you. Okay. Okay. So we did this already. We'll do it one more time. Okay. So volume formula is length times width times height. Okay. So these are for prisms, right? For rectangular prisms. Okay. This is the like formula. So we have to do in the first question here. Right, we can say length equals to 4. Okay, so our length equals to 4. Okay, and our width equals to 3, and our height equals to 6. Okay, so now we have the height, width, and length. Okay, now we have to do is sub it in the formula. Okay, so 4 goes in for the length times the width which is, what is the width, Yusuf? We're doing this question. So the length is equal to 4, the width is equal to 3, and the height is equal to 6. Okay, basically we're multiplying all the sides. So can you tell me the side of the width? Yes, Yusuf? It's 4 times 3. Okay, the width. I already put it here. And the height is? What is the height, Heiko?
Sorry, yes.
Yes, what is the height for the first question we are doing?
4 centimeter.
No, I labeled the length as 4. I already wrote it. Length times 4. Length equals to 4. Width is 3 and height is
6.
6, right? Okay, now 4 times 3 is equal to?
4 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
4 times 3 is 12.
12. And then 12 times 6 is what?
12 times 6 is 72.
72, right? So our formula, so our volume will equal 72 centimeter cube, okay? Okay. Okay, can you guys do the second question? Yes, Yusuf? Yusuf, are you there? So I will give you the formula. Formula is, I will write it down in the chat.
Oh, I didn't know it was on mute.
Yes. So I sent you in the chat. So the formula is length times width times height.
But can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, sure. Okay, Heiko, once you're done, you can send me in your answer.
Okay.
So Heike, the formula actually I wrote length before it. Sorry, I think you probably just saw width times height, but it's actually the whole formula. Yes, Jazakallah. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. Good, very good, Haika. Okay, Haika, can you do question number 3 as well?
Okay.
And I will be assigning you a work sheet on the Google Classroom. You can check for the weekend homework, okay? Okay, good, very good, Haika. 5 times 5 is 25. And times another 5 is 125. Good. So, Sister Saba, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Walaikum assalam, sister. Yes.
Yes, sister. I will be assigning them the worksheet for like the homework on the Google
Okay.
Classroom. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
All right.
yes. So is that
Yes.
okay?
So yeah, that's okay. It's 11. So today Urdu teacher is absent because she's sick. So if you can check the messages. Did you check the message I've sent you?
Okay, I will check, sister.
Inshallah, then let me know. Okay.
Okay, sister, I just got because I was in class. So for the French, I can give them some assignment to do. Is that okay, sister?
Okay.
Okay. And I
Okay,
will,
inshallah.
yeah, I will explain it and then they can do it for the homework, inshallah.
Okay, sister. Okay, Jazakallah.
Okay, Yusuf, are you back? Yes, assalamu alaikum, Yusuf. Can you hear me? Okay, for Nyla, grade 3, I'm gonna be sending in I'm gonna be posting on your classroom the French reading you have to do and the worksheet. Okay. 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 So you can I'm just gonna share the screen of what it looks like so you can have an idea.
Teacher, it didn't let me unmute. Like I told you in the chat. I fixed it.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So actually now I'm gonna be assigning you on the Google Classroom the math and French homework. Okay. So you have to check on the Google Classroom, okay?
Yeah. Is it break time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Jazakallah. Okay, Naila, and I will be doing the same for you. So this is the French worksheet that I will be posting. So you have to answer, okay? And they explain it here, so you have to read. This is asking the object, direct object that the subject is acting upon. So when you add Q, se, que, mark is the subject, manage, right? So that means mark means so it means that's the subject, okay? So you will underline mark, okay? And then it's saying il manage un sandwich. So sandwich is the direct object, right? Okay. Okay, so this is how you will underline, okay? Is that clear?
समझ में आया? No.
Okay, so basically this is the exercise, okay? And they're telling us to look into this page number to how to do it. So it's saying that all you have to do is to underline the subject and the direct object, okay? So we have here is the first example, or the second example, we can look into it. That's about a verb, okay? So when they underline the verb and the subject, that's when they add un, okay? So un un figure is the subject, right? When you add une, right? That's the subject, okay? Okay. And then when you add jail, like for the third example, they're adding jail vous Suzanne. So Suzanne is a person's name. So that's the direct object, okay? So anything like any food, we call it the direct object. So when you say sandwich, that's also a thing, food, right? Name of a food. So that's why you will underline as direct object. Does that make sense? Yes, Nyla? So the name of a person is Suzanne. You're going to underline that because that's the name, right? Suzanne. So you can underline the name of anything, like a thing, object, person's name, right? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay,
Ready?
and est is the verb. Est is always the verb. Okay? Okay, good.
Everything because you all my one group.
Yeah, so I will be posting on your classroom page, okay? And for the grade 7, I will also be posting it. So you have to do it, okay? Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. So is that clear, Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf. I will post the French as well, okay? The one we had today, I will post it on your classroom page as well, okay? Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone.
Bolo.
Walaikum assalam.
Any questions, anyone, before I leave? Haika, Yusuf, Abdullah?
No.
No.
Yes, Yusuf, do you have any questions?
No.
Yes, assalamu alaikum everyone.
Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Yeah, so sister, I posted on the school website, the sister Nasreen is sick today, so there is no Urdu class, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so inshallah, see you on Monday, okay? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
What do you do?